Welcome back to As in the Heart. On top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world, Wazobia Max for UHF channel 57 and Wazobia TV for channel 98 on top of Go TV. We don't talk and say, if you dey Lagos, if you dey Abuja, you don't need cable. Just put on your television, search for us, make you begin to watch us, they enjoy all the ogbonge things when we carry come your domot. And we don't go waste time. We'll just continue with our discussion as it get to do with the technical issue when we say our Minister for Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed and Oga Presido talk, say our Niger don't win the war against Boko Haram. But some people can't talk, say if we place it talk side by side with what's they happen, especially what's happen over the weekend for some parts of Nigeria, say it be like say, hey, we don't ever even start this particular discussion when they discuss. Make we just look at, okay, what your guy go talk. Oga go be talk about say, not be just about say we carry gun, they fight people. Oga Presido don't talk and say, he get the time when say these people, then they take over territories. They go claim, say, now then get this place, all those kind of things. But now, it don't get difficult for them to do these kind of things. But he talk say they don't reduce them to using only improvised explosive devices and soft targets, and then they look for.
Soft targets, yeah.
But this one means, say, it be like, say, the fight don't go on another level. Because if they're not fit claim territories, but they fit enter
inside
the people. You understand? They cause these kind of problems, and we see the say some of them go drive Okada, go some kind of village, burn down a whole village.
Still freely come out from the village.
We need to do some more about this thing.
So exactly, we need to do some more. And if you listen to it, our guy go talk furthermore. He talks, look, now make we use the approach of grassroots approach. This time around, as you don't talk, you don't come out beyond say, okay, we don't know their target, we don't know where they're. This time around, they don't enter into the people. And the same people where we say, we know them, go also live among us. So that's why he also suggests, look, the idea of say, okay, make they talk to their leaders. Make they carry this message, enter into different religious groups. So they go feed their athletes, give orientation to their own people, and also their own leaders go feel also they help in ensuring, say, look, see the essence of this message they pass. May not avoid this thing. Anybody don't suspect will be among these people. Okay, may not finger them out, may not point them out. So we know we will take address because as the battle don't there for our hand now. It is no longer us. It is no longer we relying on the military to come they fish them out. They don't enter into us, and now also they fish them out to say, okay, this person did, and if they carry the investigate and they say these people did, then they go know the kind of position they will carry. No, don't know that.
Allow me talk what I want to talk first before you know.
I don't know that.
You know what I want to talk.
I know what you want to talk.
What I want to talk.
You want to say in Kubi for the second time, God, for the second time, it will speak the truth on today's program.
I know the way I want to talk be that.
Okay,
man. If you allow me talk what I want to talk.
That nothing of head is suspicious.
You for allow me talk what I want to talk.
That nothing of head is suspicious.
Okay, I no talk again.
Don't talk. Leave it that way.
Okay, I won't talk. How you go tell me say make I no talk? I say I did nod my head. You say you begin to. Why are you always suspecting?
That you're not affair. Don't just refer to me trying to give appraisal to what I've just said or trying to approve to what because I've always been saying the truth on this program.
Ukubi, you know what? You know I don't know.
I've always been saying the truth.
Now I don't know the true meaning of no peace for the wicked. I not heard. You begin to complain. Wait. I go do like this. You go complain. No. I go do you go complain. If I laugh, you go complain. Why?
No peace for who?
The meaning of the word.
Indirectly, they try to throw the
I know true. I don't call anybody name.
No. Indirectly, what they try to tell me?
Why every action when I do, they vex you?
They try to tell me. Okay. No peace for the wicked.
Yeah, you don't do. Make a day like this. Continue the talk.
Better. Just like that. Make just the talk. Don't just start letting talk. Say they try to give me approval to say not talk good. Thank you. Just remain that way. And if you talk, it's okay. If you make mistake, talk on this program again. Say on this today's on. If you talk, okay. No, just steal your mouth, so.
I mean, you can't point left hand too.
Nobody say no one talk.
But you can't point left hand.
Why don't I point that to you? If you say no one talk, just keep seal it. Hold your mouth. Just seal your mouth as you seal and just seal and don't just say anything.
Ukubi, I get military background, though.
Oh my God.
I get military background.
Oh my God.
I can see that two hand where they point me as threat.
You're still bringing this military background into this issue, Chukudi. After I don't want you to finish, I don't want you to hear me again, Chukudi. Please. I understand. I know you better. I know the kind of background that you get. You thought I get 10 background. My own even still better. Your own now to just wait for food to come. Yeah, chop, swallow, then call the play.
You know the kind of technique when they use the chop food.
Oh my God.
You know the kind of technique when they use the chop food.
Okay.
If I go add one new background to your own.
Don't please. If you don't want me to technically handle your own issue right now, technically, I will address any issue you throw at me.
Okay, we'll continue.
Oh, you don't keep quiet.
No, we'll continue.
Well, let me use
For peace to reign.
No, peace has always been
Because if people hear you, they talk like this. You see, the same thing Saddam Hussein they do that time when the Allied forces they don't already roll their tank, enter inside Baghdad. You go, they talk, they open eye, like say you get power. If me and you start here now, you know, I've turned a new leaf. I've turned a new leaf.
They are calling me Saddam Hussein.
I don't call you Saddam Hussein.
Nah, basically, that no, don't tell me.
I say now waiting him be they do
so
that time.
They compare me to Ram. I have a caller from Lekki. Good morning. I beg, enter, put man for this matter. Obong, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Fire on, they hear you.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.
We wish you the same.
I want Chukma for this matter.
Okay.
Feel free, Oga Ubong.
Yes, because this matter will concern everybody.
Yes, so.
I stay in Abuja, and even the bomb blast that happened in Naya, I witnessed it with my eyes. At least I can be able to tell a little story about Boko Haram. There was a caller that called that talked about going down to the...
Would they hear you? Ubong.
In the community,
yes.
Talk to them. That is a very good idea. Because I remember when the issue of militant came up in our side, it was the elders that went into this, because these people are their children. They know them, maybe their neighbor or whatever they know them very well. It was the elders that went down to talk to them, to bring them, to fish them out, to negotiate. So I believe that the idea of going down to the elders in the community, the leaders, is a very good one, to tackle it from there. And also the idea of making the other youth in the environment knows that this thing is not a good thing, so that the Boko Haram will not go and brainwash them, making them believe that what they're doing is the right thing, that they'll get reward from Allah. I believe that the Islamic leader...
Hey. Oga Ubong, Oga Ubong contribution. Oga Ubong contribution. They spot on.
Yes.
Spot on. The thing he hit the nail. He hit the nail for the head.
Yeah, no, don't talk like that. He hit the nail. Don't just talk about he hit the nail. That's enough. Fire on.
What do you concern you? He hit the nail with what?
No, you don't talk.
I say he hit the nail. Why you call the complaint?
You can't reiterate the re-echo and say he hit the nail.
Make we collect good news from our job. I go just leave you because I go just leave you.
No, because of good news they call us.
Now me go make me leave you.
Don't point at me.
Oga, good news, we dey hear you.
Good news,
Good morning.
Good morning. I beg, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
Okay.
Fire on, we dey hear you.
Good news, I better reduce the volume of your television or come out for where TV dey. If you want to make everybody for compound hear your voice as you dey talk. I beg, we go advise anybody when go call us, say, I beg, before una call, we know say, it's good as we dey contribute, make everybody dey hear us, they clap for us. So make we reduce the television or come out for there so that those when they watch go fit hear, and we when they talk go fit talk inside this our contribution. Could be this thing dey very, very clear, say, Nigerians, they united on the talk, say we need to, as a people, collectively pursue insurgency come up for this our country. And people don't give suggestions on how to go about them. No be about conventional warfare, say we they fight them. Oga President been talk, say some of these people now, what they do now to indoctrinate. That is, they go they teach people, say, this thing, if you do them, that be the right thing. To go buy people or to go join bad people, that be the right thing. What we must do as Oga go talk, say now to begin campaign, whether on social media or whether not for TV, whether not for radio, they let people know, say, these people went talk, say, Boko Haram, Western education is bad. Say no be the right thing. Because this Western education, I go empower us to feel learn some kind of things. Yes. Some of these people, then they operate guns. Some of them, they drive motor. Some of them, they use phones. This thing is not product of Western education.
Exactly.
So it's very, very important. Say, if people, they try use ignorance, they confuse us, make we not grieve for them, and make we they know the truth and nothing but the truth.
We got caller. Good morning. Dr. Dan calling us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Dr. Dan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I beg, fire on. Will they hear you?
I've been trying this number since, but I thank God now.
Thank God, Dr. Dan.
You know, this country, it is only God that can save us. You know, sometimes when you're fighting, you don't shout. Like other caller said. The dog that's fighting don't shout, don't bark. if you want to do anything, you do it technically. If you are fighting, you must have a strategy. What I'm just looking at is, in this country, we don't have strategy. There's no strategy for anything. You can just, if you are doing things, it is not you that will praise yourself, but people will praise you because people will see what you are doing. But that's mean that you are not doing anything. We should tell our military to have a strategy because this Boko Haram are using strategy. We are not using strategy. They have strategy more than us. Well, it is a strategy that they should go and sit down and plan for. It is better to do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dan. Dr. Dan, Dr. Cam clearly say we need to move on to another level if we want to fight these particular people. Oga President don't talk am say since no be conventional warfare, say they did this place, we go meet them there to fight them. Yes. As they don't, they use some kind of sense, they enter us. We say go use sense to gather intelligence about them to flush them out of this country. But it go dey good make we emphasize say whether we like them or not. This fight wey we dey fight no be something wey we say e go just end once. As Nigerians, we know say some people go look say okay, well, because of the political statement when we dey reason say some people when the government dey make we go look say okay, well, December 31st don reach, they see the attack, wetin dey happen. But it go good make we as Nigerians dey provide solutions to these problems because this country still belong to all of us rather than dey find faults. It go good make we look and say okay, see where we don't make mistake, but see also the way we fit do to make them day safer and better. We dey always dey talk and say Nigeria belong to all of us. Good or bad, now us it go affect. Float or sink, now us it go affect. So if we dey wait make things spoil, so that because of say we did this political party, we go use and yap this political party. Now ourselves we dey do. At the end of the day, those when they rule us for this country, they don't reach 5% of our population. If we get 160 million Nigerians, when we say they suffer or they enjoy from good things when they come, now we this country belong to. Oga John, they call us from Aja. Oga John, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, John.
We dey fine, Oga John.
Make we celebrate our soldiers for their bravery.
Yes, sir.
And technically, we are winning the war. Technically, our people are dying too. So technically, let us add R to the name of our minister. L-A-I. Let us add R there. So technically, we solve the problem. Let our government tell us the truth. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much, Oga John. Oga John, don't make them clear.
Just make them very brief. Tip tap, drop your own.
Exactly.
Chukudi, it go also be very important for us to talk. Say, look, we also need to at least be actively involved for this fight. You understand? Because the fact say, okay, make we collect this call from Kanu. Good morning. Okay, we don't lose them. So it is very, very important for us to also be actively involved for this fight. The reason why they talk the same, say, as we talk, it don't come up from the conventional system where we say you don't know where they're we could go face them face to face and fight them. If they don't enter into the people, and now as I talk, the same set of people we say where they enter, now people where we say we go know them. Okay, a typical example of why they talk the same, say, look the bomb will happen for Borno over just a few days back. One of the suicide bombers run from nowhere, just run, brah. Come for where the chief, the village head dey. Come say some Boko Haram people they pursue am. Come enter there. They don't know say she wear something for body. As people come they try come and that people come gather. Now that time she can't do anything. Can't detonate. Can't kill people. Can't fight people. That kind of approach, you understand? It is now people will say we don't they know say suspect say these people low. Somehow, their character don't they change. Now people will suppose they tender their matter to say, okay, this person, if say he get hand. Even if not to carry out investigate, make we know whether true, whether this person they among. You understand? Make we even carry out the investigate. So I go don't say they play safe. You understand? So it don't come out from that system. It don't enter into the people, and the people must also be a part of this fight. Because just as so look at the colours we don't get. A lot of the callers who don't get, they come from different parts of the country. We're not even they affected.
Exactly. They know this theater of operation.
Then they vex them, they pay them. We get a caller. Good morning. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ubong. Okay, calling us back.
Ubong calling back.
Okay.
Yes, the line went off.
Okay.
As I was saying, that the leaders of the Islamic they have a very big role to play here because they have to educate their followers that what this Boko Haram, their aim or what they are claiming is not right. And another thing I wanted to say is about our government. As I believe on this government. But one thing I want to tell them, there's a saying that says actions speak louder than words. Well, at least even in other countries, we have the terrorism. We have these kind of people that are killing people. I've not heard any of them coming up to say a particular date or month or year that they will end it. So I want to tell our government that they should do more work than talking. If Boko Haram ends in Nigeria, everybody will know. You don't need to tell us that they have ended. You don't need to tell us that Boko Haram no more bombing, because the same thing happened in Gullo with it. I can remember before that election time, there was a time they showed some village in Borno that people are going back to their home, that the military have taken over, and before you know, this Boko Haram will still strike. So to our government, they should do more work than talking. When they win the Boko Haram, everybody will know.
Exactly. Oga Ubon, straight to the point. Do more work than talking. When we win, everybody go know. Oga Hassan, don't they wait for the line. They call us from Ikorodu. Oga Hassan, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hassan.
Thank you for calling.
You know, the problem we did for North, most of them are all these leaders. Most of them know all these people. But then, they don't cover up. Now, most of those Boko Haram now, it's not all these, not all these mature people now. They use all these children now.
Picking, yes.
They use them. They go just enter where people dey. Do what they want to promote. Before you know, bomb don't explode. And now, if you watch before now, they use men, they use motor, all these things. But now, most of the things that they use now are small children now, and they use. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Hassan. Oga Hassan don't identify one particular area where we say we go emphasize on when we come back. But we go guys go this break so that we will continue our discussion with confidence. No go anywhere. Now Wazobia TV and As E Dey Hot. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. And the topic we will discuss, now one way they come up plenty smoke. Oga Cletus went on the wait. They call us from our papa to contribute for inside this discussion. Oga Cletus, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, my two brothers.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Cletus.
How na dey?
We dey fine.
If we dey talk for this matter, make we talk like Nigerians. Government na another thing. The people wey government dey rule na another people too. If you don't go where fire they burn where they quench am before, they not dey quench fire from the flame, now from the base they take the quencher. And if fire quench, the person where the fire they burn for your house will not say don't quench. Government no need to tell us say they don't end Boko Haram. Now our people, our 7 belly where they never born will not say Boko Haram don't end. The government need they do more plenty of work, more than what the government is telling us. Nobody go tell us say the war of Boko Haram don't end. We thank God today, say our soldiers, our military men, our policemen, all other forces that are combined together, what they call JTF, they work towards bringing Boko Haram to an end. They are doing their best. But the fact still remains that the Boko Haram issue has just even begun in the first place. Anytime we propaganda, they come from government officials, say they don't, that time these people will come up to show us, say they do more, they are still very much around. So the government needs, say, maybe they do some, encourage the people who are involved in the system in fighting the Boko Haram insurgency. The Nigerians should pray for them as well. Come out to give them information. Share ideas. People who are these, all stakeholders, not even the, should come back together. Let them tell everybody provide solution to how we can end Boko Haram. It's not just propaganda, just a political statement. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you very much, Oga Cletus. Oga Cletus don't explain in common terms, say, no be propaganda, say a political statement. But it go dey very, very good, say, as government, when we say people trust, by giving them that say opportunity, say go represent us. Make them they do all they can to let Nigerians know, say, now like this the team be, say, no wuru inside the matter. Oga Jolly, they call us from Makurdi. Oga Jolly, welcome to As the Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Jolly.
Yes, so you see, this Boko Haram thing, it affects some of us, whether directly or indirectly, one way or the other. Because, like my Igbo junior brother, Boko Haram don't drive and come out for North. He knows stay for this displaced people, their account. So people like that, how they go help them? And also, like the soldiers, we have to be encouraging them. They are trying. Giving them timeline will not solve any problem. At least let them solve this problem gradually and make sure that everything finish at the right time. God knows how far. So we could believe that God will end down by this year. We know we enter 2016 with Boko Haram Wahala. Una good morning.
Thank you very much, Oga Jolly. Oga Jolly, don't the talk when he talk, the thing sweets me well because he just go straight to the point and very, very direct. This one still now emphasis say Nigerians go one country where we say peace day, security day, and we no go they sleep, they close one eye, they look from outside window, say waiting go happen. So now the responsibility of government to make sure say we get country where we say Nigerians go fit sleep in peace, and we say get our own role to play.
Exactly. Any
information when we get to give, we go help our security people to do what they're supposed to. We supposed to. Yeah. Oga Samuel, they call us all the way from Alakpere. Oga Samuel, welcome to As the Hot.
Thank you very much.
Morning,
I want to wish you a happy new year in advance.
We wish you the same too.
All right. About this Boko Haram issue, I think I'll be the right person right now to explain some things to some of us who don't know how the thing take be. I school for Zaria.
Okay.
I served for Borno State. In fact, I won the award as the best corps member in Borno State 2009-2010 by C. These same politicians now then cause this Boko Haram issue. I did there when Boko Haram still is strong for Borno State. These same politicians now then cause them. Alimodu Sharif bring now him first used them when he won campaign for election. After he win the election, he come back for the second time. He won't come separate what's in the call and the Emirates system of these Borno people into two. One for Biu, one for Meduguri. And Borno people already, they are setting now for Biu. Their Emirate system already now for Biu. But him now, since he don't finish, he won't come back, make him become Emir. So he won't come separate the Emirate into two. When they resist and say no, the system, see as it take be. The next thing we he can start, he can bring Operation Flush. To make them finish all of them, make them come out them inside the system, so that him now will fit do what he won't do. So I think bring Operation Flush. I get audio when Yusuf, after Buba transferred the power to Yusuf. I get audio when Yusuf talks, when Yusuf try explain everything. He said they arrested him more than 10 times. Then they carry him go DSS, then go still release him again. What will be the reason why they release him that very time? And they don't talk anything. They arrest him. They don't arrest him several times. They release him. Only for them to allow him when they come begin to kill some of the members. You see how the thing take happen. When they come begin to kill some of the members, now he can't talk, say, okay, as the thing be like that, him no go accept anything again. Him go revenge. So now then he can start the whole thing. Now that time Nigeria now can know say okay, they don't get what they call Boko Haram. But when they start from Buba era, then when they start them as they say then they against westernization. You know, say this Boko Haram, now media now give them Boko Haram. Media now give them Boko Haram. Their name, they get their Islamic names. So now media now give them this Boko Haram. What is them be they fight for? Right from Buba time, they say then they're against westernization. Women putting on jeans, some women dressing indecent like that. So now what in them then they fight for be that initially say no, they don't want that kind of thing for their land. So when they can't carry them, politicians don't use them finish because people buy the idea at that time. People accept them. So when politicians can't use them, they won't come remove them. Government now need to go back again, go settle the families of those people. Because what they even complain, say, when they kill some of the men, they shoot some of the people, then go hospital. So some of the members come say, okay, they won't go donate blood for hospital there. Okay, if actually government they know, say, no be like that it be. As them go there, say they won't go donate blood to some of the members. Why they not just arrest
thank you very much for this, your important contribution. You just give us the historical account of everything. We'll go take Oga Austin from Orile, the final call, before we wrap up what we do here today. Oga Austin, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Yeah, my brother. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Austin.
The issue is that we have a lot of problems in this country. And that problem, it will continue to eat deep down into us. On the ground that whatever we are doing, we are not looking at the next door neighbor. One, if we are looking at the next door neighbor, all these type of propaganda may be coming to the television or radio or newspaper to tell the world that a winning war while our brothers and sisters are dying. Different type of newspapers have carried the news about the killing about 2-3 days ago. Then where are we going to? The issue, somebody has spoken. He said they should do more of the technical which they are talking than coming to the newspaper to discuss
it. And all that, yeah.
You understand? Because this newspaper talk is just like, though we know it will be like this. It will be like this.
Oga Austin,
brother, let me stop
thank
here.
you very much for this, your important contribution. We go appreciate all our callers, them, especially Oga Samuel, when give us the historical background of this situation. But it go good make we emphasize, say, if you talk, say, you dey fight against something. Remember, say the country belong to all of us, and a popular will now must prevail. You know, go talk, say country when belong to everybody, say, now like this you want make it day. Everybody get the right to do what they're supposed to do. So therefore, now solution to this problem, now we go dey find. But as you don't talk, say, make them go back to the source, find out these people, pacify them, make them not continue to the vex, because that anger when they inside them follow for waiting they cause them, now be the problem. We don't discuss this particular issue, and everybody for Nigeria with one voice they talk, say, security na something wey be say all of us suppose dey enjoy for this our country, and we must do well to pursue insecurity comot final inside our obodo Nigeria. Until we come back again tomorrow with another ogbonge topic wey go comot plenty smoke on top of this discussion. Na here we go call una, tell una say bye bye. You don hear wetin Oga Samuel talk now.
The enlightening
Historical account.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.